This is a Wi-Fi repeater. Working principle: router sends a signal, repeater expands the signal range, signal coverage for the whole family. Wi-Fi repeater user tutorial. Plug the Wi-Fi repeater into an electrical outlet near your router. Wait for the WLAN indicator to flash and proceed to the next step. Open Wi-Fi, connection Wi-Fi repeater, launch a web browser and type HTTP login, username admin, password admin. Repeater mode. Choose your own home network. Enter your home network password. Wait for 100% signal strength. Successfully connected to the network. Thanks for watching.